Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we will trace down some cute little simple things in just few easy simple steps. So first we are going to trace down this ice cream. It's somewhat the oval shaped and it's strawberry flavored. This type of the painting is very simple and it's very easy. It's best suitable for the kids that are between the age group of 6 to 7. Add the details like I am doing here. Let's come to our next project. So we are tracing down a beautiful cupcake. For this we are making the cup and see how we have made it in just few simple steps. It's very easy and best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10 and it's strawberry flavored. See how we made it. You can just pause the video for this one and then fill it with some of your favorite colors. We have made the covering of the cupcake somewhat sky blue color. You can use any other color. We are using this blue one and we have placed the strawberry at the center so that it represents a strawberry flavored ice cream. Again, we are going to trace down the ice cream and see how we have made it. This is so simple and very easy. Then we are filling it with the colors. I am using the sketch ones, that too yellow one. You need to trace down your finger as shown on your screens. You can trace it down with the help of the pencil at first so that you may correct your mistakes. Then see in how simple and easy steps we are going to create this big character. This one is very simple and it's very nice and it's very less time consuming. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. Now we are going to trace down a beautiful tree and this tree is in the season of the autumn, so we will fill it with the orangish or the yellowish shade because those represent the autumn season of the year. And see how we have traced it down. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. You can use any other colors. I am using the sketch ones. This type of the artifact is very simple and it's very easy also. Difficulty level is very simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. You can pause the video and give it a try. Fill it with the wax colors or the crayons. I am using the sketch ones here. Don't forget to add the details. Cupcakes are so yummy and so tasty and they are very easy to be made. Today we will trace it down on the white sheet of the paper and see how we are just trying to make it some of the lines, curves and the twist and you will be done. This type of the drawing is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 9. Just fill it with some bright colors like we are using here. It's time to trace down a tomato. Tomatoes are red in color and can be grown in your gardens and they are somewhat oval shape and they are very tasty when you cook them. So let's try to trace it down. It's very simple and best suitable for small kids.